For the week coming up, we're looking for potentially Bitcoin getting to 116,000 as more of the shorts get liquidated. But I would not be surprised that we head down lower because we don't have any more VWAP levels, unmitigated VWAP levels above us. So do I think we get to 80,000 this week? No, but it could. It could happen within a week. It could happen in 2 weeks or whatever. It could go down there. But I'm sure it's not very fun for everyone to hear that. No, tell me the gangbusters trade. Well, the gangbusters trade was down here around 74. I mean, I don't know how it gets much better than that. Give me a few more months for the charts to make other significant moves, and I'll set you up on another 20,000% gain. Sorry, not 20,000%, 2,000% gain, 20x move on your assets. Until then, don't worship me.
So you talked about the previous week. Were you clear about what? It sounded like you were, but were you clear about the upcoming week?
For the week ahead, there's no trade to look for, right? If you want to be long and you want to play the long, sometimes in this position, if my long position and my short position are equal in likelihood, I just take both sides, and when I go into profit, whichever side it is, I just let it run. Right? So I let it run so that my long position covers the cost of my short, and my short positions will cover the cost of the long. So don't put on 2.5% long, 2.5% short, and then as soon as you make 100% profit on your long position, cover your position. And certainly, that'd be ridiculous. And don't add to, if the price moves in one direction, don't add to the other direction because you just want to see, you're not sure if the price is going to come back in. Don't do that. If you're going to play both sides, put on both positions and then let it run, and then you'll make your money. If it's going to move, 200, 300%, 400%, you'll be fine with it. But you can get whipsawed in that. Your long and short can get whipsawed out, and so that's why I don't really call out that type of trade. But if you wanted to do that, you could. If you're looking for the home run trade, the trade for next week, the target is not a home run trade. It's not a home run trade. If you're looking for the weekly trade, that's to around 99,000 or 100,000. That's where the price should pull back to. We'll find that out on our indicators at around 8 o'clock, and we'll see.
Here's a reminder that Sacred Profit and the indicators provided can make you money up, down, or sideways. We are going to be entering a period at some point where people are going to be like, the sky's falling, it's no good. But here, in the congregation of Sacred Profit, we won't worry, right? When it rains, when the sun is out, we're happy. When it rains, we're happy.
Well, we make far more money in revelations as the price falls down because the charts move way faster down. We know all the levels it's going to go to because we could see the levels. And oftentimes in a bear market, you get these bounces that are like 20% bounces, right? And so in a down market, let's say you get a peak to trough from the peak down to 80% on Bitcoin, you might get a ton of 20, 30% bounce in between. So you can make oodles of money if you have a 50x leverage trading system like we've been talking about, or some of the other indicators inside of our library. You can make tons of money that way. So I'm like excited. I really don't care what price Bitcoin gets to. I just want it to be volatile and keep moving because a fisherman fishes. Let the Texas Rangers worry about let the Rangers worry about the health of the ecosystem and all that. Let the Federal Reserve, the high priests, worry about what a financial condition should be like. You just give me the charts, and we'll just trade it. We trust in the Lord of liquidity. And the Lord of liquidity giveth, and the Lord of liquidity taketh away. Till you are dryeth like a... I was going to swear, but I don't want to be blasphemous here.
Dry like a what, Tom? Do you have any opinions, any thoughts? Are you aware about the bill or whatever that the Dems squashed regarding stable coins in the crypto space? Donald Trump was disappointed about that.
Not at all.
All right. You don't pay attention to that. You just look at the charts, do you?
Well, you get caught up in narratives.